my friends, and welcome back. So this is the video number 2 for my Soft Glam 1 palette 5-look series that I'm doing, and this is the look I created for today, which I don't know again what was the inspiration behind this. Kind of looks like I don't know, like a sport team colors. I don't know. I'm really trying not to do, you know, very obvious, kind of boring-ish looks with this palette, so I'm just trying a bit to be creative. So this is the look for today. Let me know if you like it. I think it's very interesting and I think it's fun. And by the way, I also wanted to mention that I really love this lip color. I kind of rediscovered this today. It's one of my old favorites from BareMinerals. It's their Slay Matte liquid lipstick, although it's not really like a liquid lipstick because it will not dry out into that super matte finish. It stays a bit more moussey on the lips, which I find, you know, I find it to be quite comfortable, but I like this color. Like a pink paradise. And I will leave you with the tutorial. Keep on watching if you want to see how I created this look. Enjoy. Bye.